Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2019 69 plate Jaguar XF-R Sport. Now these cars come very well specified from the factory. This has a superb specification on it. So first of all, finished in this lovely and highly desirable Carpathian Grey Metallic, which is a mega factory options on these cars. We're riding on upgrade alloy wheels, so those are the 20-inch 5 twin spokes finished in the gloss black. We've got a full exterior black package then as well, so your front grille, side vents, window surrounds, they're all in the gloss black, and you get the addition of the privacy glass. When you see it, this is a lovely looking thing. We've got LED daytime running lights, headlamp wash for those as well, front and rear parking sensors. Bodywork wise, you can tell the car has truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's in very nice order throughout. Being the R Sport, you get the sportiest styling on these, so more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts. You get a boot lip spoiler on this one as well. We've got the 20D designation on the back, so this is a 2-litre diesel. The nice thing about these engines, they only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles. We've got the original Jaguar tailored floor mats. Down there you'll find your tyre inflation kit and your battery. And then coming through to the driver's side, again bodywork in very nice order. Alloy wheels are these lovely 5 twin spokes, 20-inch alloys. Even though they're the larger alloy, you've still got a fantastic ride quality to these cars. They're quite a long vehicle, so you tend to glide over all the bumps. Inside then is a lovely ebony black, part perforated leather. We've got a contrasting white stitch just to break it all up. Looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, these seats are in lovely order. It's not been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any sort of pets either. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got central armrest with 2 cup holders there. You've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. We've got a 12-volt power outlet for your phone charging. And then looking at the backs of the front seats, they're in nice order as well. Roof lining is the lovely Alcantara. Now, you don't see this quite often, but it does change the inside of the car completely. All of this normally comes either in a dark cloth or a light cloth. The Alcantara, obviously soft touch, feels fantastic and looks very prestige. Jumping in the driver's side, as soon as you jump in, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here is our voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. You've got your limiter there for your speed. You've got your flappy paddles which are on the steering wheel as well. This vehicle is powered via a 8-speed automatic box, which is very smooth. And then obviously if you wanted to, you've got the sport modes on there, and you can drive the car manually using the flappy paddles. 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, everything that you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. And as we're doing the video today, this is a low mileage example, having only covered 43,560 miles. Coming through to the centre display, we've got the nice big screen on this one. So on this we've got heated front seats. They're very nice and easy to operate. Clicking through to the main menu, we've got satellite navigation, which is very responsive, very easy to use. Multimedia, so DAB radio, all the extended channels. Obviously you get Bluetooth music as well. And then coming through, you've got all the extra features there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Eco Data, In Control applications. You've even got web browser there as well. You can adjust the screen as well if you wanted to, so to customize it to exactly what you want it to be. Coming down then, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got ice cold air conditioning on this one. Full drive select, so dynamic, normal, eco and all terrain. You've got your auto stop start and your traction control. Central cup holders where the both keys are found, so they're in fantastic order. Parking there, and then looking into the center armrest, we've got two USBs, 12 volt power outlets and a micro SIM card input as well. That's in superb order, no elbows ruining that. But inside, a lovely car. You can tell it's been well cared for. All the dark plastics are in nice order. The steering wheel's not full of nicks. Where you'd normally find scratches or the script sort of rubbing away on the buttons, we've got none of that. Grab handles are all in nice order. Obviously I've showed you the bolsters. The bolsters are in superb condition as well. And then bodywork wise, it is a nice car. So, if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, please do get in touch. We've got some really good PCP prices on these cars at the moment, or hire purchase if you require hire purchase. Obviously, if you've got a part exchange, we can happily give you a part X price over the phone. But thank you for watching. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues, Graham and Lee, so any one of us will be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.